right, so a lot of times in showers, especially with glass doors like this, you'll get a lot of soap scum and buildup on the inside of the shower. So if you take a brass brush and you steam only and you very gently apply pressure with the steam, you're going to break loose that soap scum and buildup, and then we'll follow it up with the large extraction nozzle with the squeegee. So we're just going to kind of scrub lightly. And the goal here is simply just to agitate that soap scum and buildup, bring it to the surface, and allow us to really clean. And we'll do this on both sides of the glass door. So we're going to do vacuum and steam only, no extraction. Let off the trigger and just do some vacuum only. We're going to squeegee that mess. Now we still have some stains left, but they're on the other side. So I'm going to switch sides and we'll show you how to clean it well. So using the same method, I'm going to take the brass brush, scrub lightly, just try to agitate that surface, and the water build up over time. And you can use the larger 3-inch brush as well to cover a little more surface area at once. So again, vacuum, no extraction. Now sometimes this process can take a few rounds, especially when you've never done it before. It may take a little bit longer. Especially when you're removing water deposits that have been there for a very, very long time. Come on.